The launch of our advanced engineering laboratory enables us to visualize airflow, noise, and vibration, which we studied only in simulations. This helps us to solve problems faster. This lab test allows us to quickly recreate many indoor environments. For example, to investigate the relationship between sensible temperatures and feeling warm and cold. This helps develop technologies for greater comfort, taking into account different climates around the world. All the while, we continue to deliver unparalleled safety and reliability.